guys, I look completely different. I'm out of breath because I ran up the steps, but we are in a little bit of a hurry. It is Imran's birthday. Dennis boy, all of the above. It's his birthday today, and we are going to have a little boat party for him. Whew. I'm out of breath. And I also, allergies kicking my butt. But yeah, sorry, this is super rushed, super hectic, but we got to pick up balloons and then bring the set, and then what else? Yeah, and then Howie's also here this weekend for his birthday, so it's been very hectic. So yeah, we're just gonna head to the party. It is a little early, but I think we have to set up and stuff like that, so I'll just catch you guys in a little bit.
Hey vlog! Why do I look like this? What did you already tell them? I don't know. Anyways, I'm back getting them better. Did y'all miss me? Why am I looking at this? Shouldn't I be looking at this? There. Anyways, hi guys, I'm back. ዛሬ በጣም አሪፍ ቀን ይሆናል። ትልቅ ፕሮግራም አለን። So should I say stay tuned. So አብራችሁን ቆዩ። ትልቅ ፕሮግራም ድግስ አሁን እንሄዳለን። ቦት ላይ ነው፣ መርከብ ላይ ነው. So you know what they say, gonna shake what was it? Yeah, in Dubai, not Dubai, but DC, yeah.
Hi guys. So we're at Safeway. I'm literally parked on the side so Howie can quickly get the balloons. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's 444. Actually, I was about to say it's about to be 5, but it's 444. And yeah, I'm not sure what the plan is because no one is answering their phone. The birthday boy himself isn't answering the phone, so gotta just play it by ear, I guess. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's not my birthday. But anyway, whatever. We'll just see how everything goes. I'm actually excited and nervous at the same time. I'm just not sure if that was that English. I'm not sure either. And I tried something new with my hair. Instead of it being like a regular slick back. I don't know how we're feeling it. But yeah. So I'll just talk to you guys a little later. I'm just rambling at this point. And it's so hot. It's 97 right now. So we'll see how to... Oh, Howie! Go woo woo. Go woo woo. Are you struggling?
Hold it.
What do you mean hold it? How much are they charging?
One was like $15.
God damn.
Anything for you, Dennis boy.
We got the balloons, y'all. So we'll just see where we're just gonna head to the...
No, we still have to get the...
Howie, you couldn't get it there?
A container that size?
Howie, yeah, it's
like a big one.
Where would we get that? The dollar store?
Walmart or something?
Sorry guys. My lovely sister really didn't play the whole thing in her head correctly. She's like, on the way to Walmart? What do you mean on the way to Walmart? We're not going to Walmart. Like, we're already gonna be late and we're gonna be in like deep DC. Like, I cannot go all the way back to Walmart to get a container. Cause she was saying that they're not gonna have the container in here. But like, they will. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later, and hopefully she gets the container because that's where the jungle juice is going. For the lovely drinkers, I don't drink, so. But yeah, guys, a struggle bus. Like, we just finessed free parking, which was the highlight of the whole day, to be honest with you.
Wow. That way.
That sign? I clearly don't know where I'm going. It's been a year. We did this exactly a year ago for his birthday. 23rd. But yeah, we just chilling. Face it. But yeah, everything is not it, but the sun is sunning. Everything's like, there's a Nats game, like a baseball game, so they were like $75 for parking. So, whatever.
Alright, the zoom in is crazy.
Pretty.
Yeah, you already know the vibe.
Look at the view, guys. So pretty. We met up with Rami. This is not it. Wait. Hi, birthday boy! Hi, birthday boy! Hi, birthday boy! Xavier Meskin. Hi!
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good.
You look handsome.
Thank you guys.
RFI.
I promise you it was just right there. Somebody just took it. Yeah, this is not even the full fit for real.
Why?
Huh?
I like your shoes.
Don't worry, we're gonna change.
Rami's trying to talk to you.
Wallahi, I don't buy that.
You know the vibes. We on the boat.
You know the vibes.
We on the boat. We gotta set. Is it all set up? I'm not sure. Okay, we gotta set up, but it's 6:23. But look at the view, guys.
Hold it up real quick.
The view is viewing. But yeah, we'll just. We're going dig. We're going dig.
Anyway, so we made it on the boat.
Record them now. Record them now. No, with the
Astaghfirullah.
Yeah.
Try this.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Come on.
So we have Ramisha over here. We have Emran over here. Me on the camera. And then we got niggas doing nigga shit, but we can't show y'all because then her ass will get demonetized.
Too strong?
No, I don't really taste that.
You don't taste that.
Alright, bye-bye.
Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby.
Yeah, be in it.
Hey guys! I probably look hideous. Yeah. Yes, sir.
My baby love don't bust her down. My baby love don't bust her down.
What's wrong with this nigga? I don't come on no host. I want to be.
Good content.
You feel me? Real good content. Oh god.
You funny as
Yo, let's just, you know, I could be your vlog. I could be your vlog guy.
That would be nice. A little.
Feel me?
Is it a boat?
Yeah. Show him, I stand next to the boat. Oh yeah. Hey, hater. Come on, birthday boy.
Okay, birthday boy.
Yeah, look at the fit. Nigga. What you talking about? Grr. Oh yeah.
Hey Hamza.
Feel me? I'm the camera guy. I'm the with the good content. Feel me? Give me a shout out. I'm just 3553.
Her.
It was you know middle school. I ain't gonna lie. Weird username, but yeah.
Yeah. And we out, right?
I love it. 1, 2,
Different
3.
things than happening, schemes and
4 out of 7.
in a one night
of
for
taking
shows
him
and
out.
Show the view, show the view.
Y'all are the view.
When it comes to money, I think concentrate.
Nah, but the view is really viewing, guys. We up though, we up.
Driving, this is like very nice. Like the wind is hitting us.
See how he changed when he sees the camera. He just
I didn't even see the camera.
He didn't see the camera though. He
I
didn't
literally
see the
just turned
camera.
around. Look, this feels so nice.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Guys,
It's a little tour, and then
we're so far from the intent.
Nuts to tea. Just fire.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
I've never been
it's your birthday.
Look at the view though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, but this
Guys,
is
I'm scared to
fire.
stand up.
Nothing.
Yajinha!
They didn't even give my keys, dog.
Look at the view, guys.
Yo, imagine.
In it? Oh. Yeah,
View, guys. And this time last year, guys, we were on our phones. Level up, level up.
feel me?
Need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. But you got me going crazy. That you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, from my mind to go. And I know that like you like to my mind. And when you tell me my love, it's your love, baby. She don't want to put it on my baby, but she give me butterfly on my baby. My baby, oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize
I love y'all so much. Everybody that's here, whether I know you or not, fucking, we're all family. Y'all, we're not going to say how old I am. We're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow life, alright? Come here.